Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin inside the Google Slides app, open the presentation, and go to the slide you want. Tap an existing text box or add one with the plus button. This creates editable text. Once the text cursor appears, select the words you want to change. Make sure the selection is accurate. Then tap the format icon that looks like an with lines. This reveals text controls because on iPad, fonts are changed through the format panel rather than a separate menu. That's the first actionable step. Now in the format panel, choose text or style so font choices appear. Scroll carefully through the font list. iPad shows available Google fonts but can hide custom fonts. Once found, tap the font name to apply it. Make sure to adjust size and weight immediately after because font behavior changes layout. Once done, check line spacing and alignment so your slide stays readable. If the font doesn't apply, deselect and reselect the text, then try tapping the font again to force the change. Finish by tapping outside the text box to commit the change. This saves automatically but visually confirming helps. If you want the new font across slides, open the theme or master slide and set the font there. This is faster than editing each slide. Make sure to preview in presentation mode so spacing looks correct. If a font is missing or won't apply, try closing and reopening the app, reinstalling, or checking your internet connection. These steps resolve most iPad font sync problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.